if you have a sure win, this you take it before, it means this works immediately. Trust me, you won't make the same, because in this video you're going to learn a home remedy which will increase blood flow, which will increase stamina, which will give you endurance. But before we go to our preparation, my dear, subscribe to this YouTube channel, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, and of course leave a comment in the comment section. Let us go to our preparation. I'll be back and I tell you more about this recipe. We need garlic. We need only 3 pieces of garlic. You clean your garlic very well. Remove the outer parts of your garlic. This is our garlic after cleaning. Remember, this amazing recipe will increase blood saturation, will boost stamina, endurance. Get for me 1 empty bottle into your favorable bottle. From there, get for me hot boiled water. Bring it here. Okay. I want you to cover this home remedy very well and keep it for 5 minutes. Our 5 minutes are done. Now get a glass, as you see. Filter very well. Get for me Nescafe. We need just a small spoon of Nescafe. This is enough. And then we need cloves. We need clove powder, okay? Clove powder. This is enough. Clove powder. Bring it here. Mix very well. Get for me natural honey. You're going to add only 1 spoon. This is enough. Very interesting. Remember, this home recipe doesn't have overdose, doesn't have side effects. Take this home remedy 30 minutes before competition. Trust me, expect to have maximum stamina, endurance, and expect to be energetic. This will impress you. Take it 30 minutes before competition.